There are few luxury homes in the Yakima Valley that come on the market, and when they do, they stop you dead in your tracks. And I am telling you, this is one of those homes. We are located in the Naches Heights area. I can't wait to show you the views from up here. They are breathtaking. It's rolling hills covered in orchards. It's super private. This is a very specific style of home. It was inspired by Patina Farms. You will find it filled with lots of natural surfaces, beautiful white oak floors, custom fixtures, antiqued. Every detail has been covered. The homeowner and designer Kate Sundquist has an incredible eye. This home is so inspiring. The moment you walk in the front door, you're going to be drawn to these incredible doors all along the backside of the home that invite all that natural environment into the space. I'm really looking forward to taking you through this home. It's like nothing else you've seen on the market before.